Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today I want to share with you, my dear Somali brothers and sisters, something which I feel as if it is very important to be said. It is going to be 5 to 10 minute motivational speech for every 2 or 3 months. And the reason I am sharing with you this is because of our people are everywhere around the world, and technology has made the communication much more easier than ever before. And because of that, you can easily transform your ideas and information to the people you care about. And number two, we have seen that our elders, including our leaders, our politicians, our social activists, they did not do much for our society, but violated the rules, the way of life, the system of government, and how it's supposed to work, the beauty of Islam and religious practice. And the mistake that they have done so far is not only for them that is affected, but us and our future. So much so, my message today is directly to the Somali youth, male or female, wherever you are around the world. And remember, I won't be a good friend to you if I don't tell the truth, if I don't tell the things that you need to hear, the things that you need to know in order to be a productive and useful person to the society. I personally believe we become what we think about, and nothing can resist the will of people. We used to be a unique and dignified society, a nation that love and respect each other with so much empathy and generosity. But these days, it seems like we lost everything. We lost our identity, we have no more family values, we have no respect and fear by the eyes of our enemies. Our people are dying and suffering everywhere you go around the world. So what I'm saying to you is we must go back and reform and change how we do things, and not necessarily following the footsteps of our elders. It might lead us a lot of setback, a lot of pain, and again a lot of failure. Finally, I come up with methodology saying that if we start doing it now, it could be done. So the first thing that should be done is you must be responsible and useful person to the society. How you want to be a useful person to the society? Behave well. Just like when you go out of the country, Somalia, and you came down here, Malaysia, or Southeast Asia as a student, or Latin America, or somewhere in Europe as poor immigrant. But with a lot of qualities, with a lot of discipline, with a lot of showing kindness to the people, respecting people, law-abiding, do that to your people. Then only after that, we may become to the point of believing that we can change the people's mind, we can run our business, we can create a job opportunities, and more easily we can rebuild our country as it used to be. Thank you so much for watching.